come across different diets that promise you to lose 10 kilograms in 10 days, or eat 1,000 calories a day to lose weight. And yes, these might work for a few days. However, once you start eating normally again, you will gain back all the weight. So, I'm going to tell you guys the best Indian diet and tips you should consider to lose weight. All our tips are science and research based, so make sure to watch this video till the end so you don't miss out on the important details we are going to share with you. Here are the top 5 ways you can lose weight on an Indian diet. Number 1, eat more fibrous foods. When you add more fibrous foods to your diet, you lose more weight compared to eating other food items such as noodles, white bread, or white rice. This is because of a process called thermic effect of food. When we consume any food item, our body spends some of the calories from those foods to digest and process what we eat. The number of calories our body uses to digest these foods vary between different food items. For example, when consuming fats, such as butter, ghee, or full-fat milk, our body uses around 3% of the calories derived from those to digest them. Whereas, while eating low-fiber carbohydrates, such as white bread and white rice, our body uses around 5% of the calories. But here is when the secret tip comes in. When we consume fibrous foods such as banana, orange, peas, carrots, and among others, our body burns 25 to 30% of the calories to digest these foods. That's amazing, isn't it? This means, if you consume 100 calories from fibrous foods, your body will spend around 25 calories to digest that, which means the net calories you consume would be only around 75 calories. So just by adding more fibrous foods to your diet along with high-protein food items, you can lose weight by eating more. We've included a full list of high-fiber foods to eat on an Indian diet in the description down below, so make sure to check it out after you watch the video. Now, point number 2, drink warm lemon water in the morning. Drinking warm lemon water first thing in the morning will help kickstart your digestive system. This helps in boosting your metabolism for the day and burn more calories. Warm lemon water also reduces hunger. Alkaline properties of lemon keeps you full, which naturally results in you eating fewer calories throughout the day. Warm lemon water not only helps in weight loss, but has other major benefits as well, such as clearing your skin, reducing inflammation, and relaxing your muscles. So, make sure to add this to your diet to see amazing improvements in your body. Number 3, choosing the right snack. We all love to snack in between our meals, especially during the evening. However, choosing the right snacks could not only help you stay full, but also lose weight. These include paneer bhurji. Paneer, or cottage cheese, are high in protein and calcium, which will help you stay full and provide your body with essential nutrients it needs. As we discussed earlier in the video, including protein and high-fiber foods can help you lose tremendous amount of weight. By pairing your paneer bhurji with a pair of multigrain toast, you will include both protein and fiber in your diet, and make this the perfect snack to consume while you're hungry. Next up, boiled eggs. If you eat eggs, then having boiled eggs as a snack is a great way of giving your body with some extra protein, as well as the essential nutrients they provide. If you want to take this up a notch, and make your snack more interesting, you could make an egg chart. By cutting some hard-boiled eggs and tossing them in with a chutney, chilies, onions, and spices, will make this protein-packed food into a delicious evening snack. Lastly, you can eat dokla. It is an amazing low-calorie and delicious snack. They not only provide you with a wide variety of nutrients, but also are a low-calorie snack that can fill you up when you're hungry. Moving on, our last tip for weight loss is adding spices and herbs to your meal. If you are eating bland food in hopes of losing weight, then stop. That not only makes your food taste boring, but also might hinder your weight loss progress. That's right. Adding more spices to your diet can help you lose weight. But what kind of spices should you add? Well, don't worry because we're going to tell you what are the best spices to help you lose weight fast. Turmeric, or haldi, is a warm spice that shoots up your body heat. Adding this to your diet would raise your body temperature, and thereby increasing your metabolism. cinnamon, or darchini, balances out your blood sugar levels, which helps in reducing hunger and keeping you full for longer duration of time. Cayenne, or lal mirch, is also a warm spice like turmeric, which boosts your metabolism and also makes your food taste better. Cumin, or jeera, increases your body's ability to burn fat faster. According to a study conducted on overweight women, the results showed that those who added just a teaspoon of cumin in their diet burned 3 times more fat than those who didn't. So now that you know how these spices can help you lose weight faster, why not start adding these to your meals? There are surely more types of spices and herbs that aid in weight loss as well, so stay tuned to our channel since we would be discussing more of these tips in our future videos. Now that you know these amazing and simple tips to lose weight faster, make sure to leave a comment down below if you found this video useful. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more health and fitness related content. Thank you.